Want to know how to reverse a string in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So this is actually an easy way. So you can see that I've just written like a few lines of code and I can easily reverse out the number. So reversing a string in Java is super simple. You just need to use StringBuilder. So you can see StringBuilder right here. So we need to wrap your string called in dot reverse function and then dot to string function. So right here we have wrapped in reverse and to string, and that's it. No loops and no hassle. Quick trick, especially useful for checking palindromes or practicing string manipulation. So you can see this text right here in Java. So you can just simply run it up and see the difference. So yeah, it simply loads up the exact reverse. That's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.